the step side today, and if you guys follow the channel, you might have seen this before. 03 Chevy 1500 step side, 2-wheel drive, very sweet truck, single cab. Look at it in here, awesome, super clean, 71,000 miles, one owner. We're on our way to the land of power strokes, and we're driving a Chevy gasser. No biggie, don't worry, the Platinum's still fine, it's at the house. The wife, you know, she's doing burnouts in the Platinum, so you know, I took the Chevy. But yeah, we're on our way, and I'm gonna show you guys something cool today. Let's go. Squirrel. This is actually what we're gonna talk about a little bit today. 19 F-150. Uh-oh. We got something in there. All right, guys, we literally have a madhouse of LS stuff going on here. Stay tuned for that on the other channel. But check this out. So we drove the Chevy down here today, the 03. We put it up on the rack and checking it out. I have never really went underneath of this thing. I mean, there's some rust, right, you know, and some cross members and this and that. The main concern is the frame is a little rough right there. And then you have your actual leaf spring shackle mounts up there that are also a smidge rough, but I don't know. It's cool. Now we got to go check out the 19 F-150 out there. Little yeah, how you doing? Driving through a cloud of smoke. Holy smokes, coming in hot. Oh, you hear that? Give her another. Blow it valve, F-150? What do you guys think? It started to rain outside, so we had to pull the truck inside. It's dark.
A few minutes later.
Now we have light. Alright guys, here we go. 2.7 Ecoboosts, twin turbo. You can see the little, and then one on the other side. Super cool truck. What does this thing get mileage?
We're getting 24 on the highway.
24 on the highway. That's pretty good. You know, full-size truck. Running great. This is the Abyss. What's it called?
Abyss.
Abyss.
A-B-Y-S-S.
Gray. It's like Battleship gray.
Set metallic.
Very nice. But anyways, they just got this truck. This is Amy from SB's. This is her new truck. And Dan just developed the rear diff lock mod kit for it. So that means whenever you pull your four-wheel drive knob to engage your rear e-locker, it will stay engaged past 20 mile an hour.
25.
Past
yeah.
25.
Yeah.
25 is the cutoff?
25 or 27, I think they list as factory cutoff.
Okay, yeah. So I was wrong. I was off by a few, give or take. 25, 27. The rear e-locker disengages. It goes back to regular. And then the switch obviously will keep that engaged. If you want to go full send on a burnout like this. Alright guys, so the actual kit is just a little module that you will get and you'll install it down there. It installs on there, it's like a modified relay or whatever. And then for your four-wheel drive knob here to engage your rear e-locker, if your truck has it, it will have this little truck over here, this little icon thing where it says pull. And whenever you pull out this knob, it fully locks your rear end, so you'll have a locked diff. So that means both wheels will spin equally. And then the factory cutoff is for in between 25, 27 mile an hour, it will disengage the rear e-locker. And then this kit here keeps it fully engaged the whole time this is out. So if you have your knob pulled out, it is engaged, and if your knob's back in, it's not engaged.
One of the main reasons I developed it back in 2012 with the diesels is I noticed in my truck during the winter, you didn't always want to be driving down the highway in four-wheel drive.
Dude, totally. That happens to me all the time.
Yeah, and you're like, man, I really don't want to be going 60 in four-wheel drive or 50. But if you had the diff locked in and it would stay above 25,
Right,
you would
right.
have no problems going down the highway with a little bit of dusting on it or whatever.
I was actually just going up a gravel driveway the other day in my truck. I have 17 powerstroke, if you guys don't know. I was going up a gravel driveway, and I was just spinning just a little bit. I didn't want to do the whole four-wheel drive thing, so I just stopped, pulled the knob out, locked the rear.
Goes right up.
Went right up the driveway, no issues at all. So this is a very, very usable thing, as in, you know, if you need something like that.
If something, honestly, it wasn't to do burnouts. That's not why I originally did it. It was honestly because I'd get pissed off because if it was a dusting on the highway, you're driving your truck, all of a sudden, one tire fire, it just sits there and spins. It's you know, it's spinning, traction control's kicking on, and it's going crazy. So you rip that thing out above 25, it can go 60 or 50 mile an hour, no problem, and you don't spin.
Can you pull that out while you're moving?
Yeah. I don't recommend like doing it under power.
Right.
If you're gonna pull the knob out, at least get out of the throttle, pull it out.
Okay.
But yeah, it's fine. You can lock it in. I would try to lock it in at 20 mile an hour.
Yeah,
you
like going slow, lower speeds.
I wouldn't want to be doing like 70 and rip it out, but
no, that's awesome.
yeah,
it's killer.
Works fine.
And it, guys, it does work very, very good. I have it on my truck. My truck obviously isn't here. I drove the red Chevy in the back, and I've used it several times actually as a work purpose, and then also it does a awesome performance purpose if you just want to run a mean burnout and you know, burn both the tires. You know, it just looks better than just one wheel spinning.
Hey, in all honesty, though, if you do want to be burning tire in one of these newer trucks, you will have to pull the ABS fuses.
Oh yeah,
because the traction control will wig out.
you can turn
Even
it
if you
off,
shut it
but
off,
it's not fully off.
It's still gonna wig out.
Remember, we tried that in my truck.
Yeah, it's still gonna wig out.
So there you guys go, from the man himself who actually developed it and why it was developed. So link will be in the description. If you guys have an F-150 and you would like one of these for your truck, you know, hit the first link in the description and check it out. The install is very, very easy, comes with full directions, and it's just one of those cool parts. What's the price point? So just go to the website and check it out, but it's available from 2011 on to the new ones, ready to go. All right, guys, we almost forgot to ask you guys. You heard the blowout valve on the truck, you know, revved it up. Here, he's gonna start it up and do it again. All right, so obviously it's turbocharged, so obviously there's the, you know, the capability of having a blowout valve. So guys, put a simple yes or no in the comments if you guys would be interested in purchasing this kit here, blowout valve kit for your Ecoboost. Yes, extremely cheap, very inexpensive. It literally will install very, very easy. Put a simple yes or no in the comments if you guys would be interested in getting a blowout valve kit for your F-150 if you have a turbocharged.
And there is crap on the internet about you can go to Lowe's and buy these parts and just like hack it together.
Yeah, but that's stupid.
Nice, just complete kit, simple, but it's not costing a fortune, has all the pieces you need in it, and makes it a little cleaner installed than trying to like use the crap.
Rig something, you know,
Yeah,
like some
rig some
PVC
crap.
hose or something, you know, like legit kit. So yeah, simple yes or no in the comments. Let us know. All right, guys, on my way home to the house now. I just hit a huge pothole. But anyways, let me know what you guys think seriously on that blowout valve. Would you like to get one for your truck, yes or no? If you have an Ecoboost F-150. But also, let me know what you guys think on the old Chevy 1500 step side. We checked it out, you guys. If you guys follow the channel hardcore, you may have seen this before. My truck's a 2017 and I have 71,000, and this truck is an 03 with 71,000. So that's it. All right, I'm rambling. I'm headed to the house. Stay tuned for some more videos coming your way this week. As always, I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace. She sounded pretty good.